नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपनी यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 8 कंप्यूटर सब्जेक्ट लास्ट चैप्टर 4th एक्सेल। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो each of the following sentences and fill the circle with the ball pen. First, the intersection of a row and a column is called cell. Second, function is a time-saving formula. Third, the function to add the cell range B5 to H5 will be written as is equal to sum in bracket B5 H5. Fourth, name box display the cell address of the active cell. Fifth, formula bar display the content of the active cell. Sixth number, this icon is the icon button of open tool. If a cell is found in column B and row 7, its cell address will be B7. Icon is the icon button of office button. This icon is the icon button of minimize. 10 number, this icon is the icon button of Excel. 11 number, insert is used to insert cells, row or column in a worksheet. 12 number, this icon is the icon button of restore down. 13 number, the cell with a thick black border around it is called the active cell. 14 number, an Excel worksheet has 256 column from A to IV. 15 number, an Excel worksheet has row from 1 to 65536. 16 number, Excel open with sheet 1 as the active sheet. 17. Excel open with A1 as the active cell. 18. The status bar display the current status of the worksheet. 19. Press the tab key to move a single cell to the right. 20. Press the enter key to move down a single cell. 21. This icon is the icon button of save. 22. By default, a worksheet is saved in document folder. On 23, on the title bar, click on close icon to close Excel, means A. 24, press the F2 key to edit the content of the selected cell. 25, click on sort filter to sort data in ascending or descending order, means B. 26 number, click on insert A to insert cells, row or column in a worksheet. 27, on a sort and filter menu, click on sort A to Z to sort the names in the ascending order. 28, on the sort and filter menu, click on sort Z to A to sort the name in the descending order. 29, खाली जगह is the icon button to open the start menu, तो B. 30, on the insert menu, click on insert sheet column to insert a column. Okay, 31 number. On the insert menu, click on insert sheet row to insert a row. 32, click on खाली जगह to change the row height or column width, तो A. 33, on a format menu, click on auto fit column width to format a column. 34, on the format menu, click on auto fit row width to format a row. 35, a formula always begins with is equal to sign. 36, a function always begin with an is equal to sign. 37, the cell range is written in bracket end. 38, the first cell address and the last cell address are separated by 2 dot. 39, the formula to add the values in the cell range C5 to E5 is written as is equal to C5 plus D5 plus E5. 40, खाली जगह display the sum of the selected cell in the cell after the selected cell, तो B. Autosum. Question number 41. A small square at the corner of the selected cell is called fill handle. 42. खाली जगह join the selected cell into one cell and move the content in the center of the new cell. तो answer is D. Merge and center. 43. खाली जगह changes the selected text into bold font style, तो C. 44, खाली जगह increase the font size of selected text, तो A. 45, खाली जगह decrease the font size of the selected text, तो C. 46, खाली जगह move the selected text in the center of the cell, तो A. 47, तो खाली जगह changes the color of the selected text, तो answer is D. और इसी के साथ हमारा ये चैप्टर नंबर 4 मतलब स्टैंडर्ड 8 का कंप्यूटर का वर्कबुक का लास्ट चैप्टर भी यहाँ पर ख़त्म हुआ। इससे आगे के 1 2 3 चैप्टर भी आप हमारी यूट्यूब चैनल पर और हमारे ब्लॉग में भी देख सकते हो। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय चैनल।